What if your banana peel could fuel your car or power your home? It sounds crazy, right? But we could make clean fuel out of plants and make it actually efficient enough to power our lives. But behind the idea is a very real and very urgent problem. Our world is running out of energy, and fast. Fossil fuels are the basis of our transportation and power. Not only do they cause extreme pollution, but we are also exhausting the natural resources we have. Scientists predict that within just 50 years, fossil fuels may be largely depleted from this planet. So, how are we going to power our cities, cars, and even lives? Meet the biofuel. Biofuels are liquid fuels produced from renewable biological sources, including plants and algae. This is where the banana peel comes in. In recent studies, something called hydrothermal liquefaction has been shown to decompose these peels and other waste at such a high yield it might just be enough to power our world. Hydrothermal liquefaction is like a really high pressure cooker. It takes waste, such as wet biomass, spoiled food, and even some plastic, and uses heat and pressure to turn it into biocrude, which is a thick oil that we can refine into bioethanol. It's fast, efficient, and most importantly, it works on waste. New research shows how HCl not only works, though, it supercharges bioethanol production. Here's how. First, it's versatile. HCl can process almost anything organic: wet crops, food waste, even plastic. That means we're not competing with farmland or food supplies, we're turning waste into energy. Second, it boosts yield, meaning we can get 85 to 90% more fuel. Additionally, the fuel we get from HTL is denser in energy and more stable. It preserves key fuel-making components like cellulose, so we get more usable ethanol from every plant. Third, it scales. HTL works in large or small systems. We can build mini fuel plants near farms or cities, cutting down on transportation emissions and bringing energy production closer to where it's needed. Fourth, it's cleaner. HCl reduces environmental harm by repurposing waste and avoiding land clearing. It also creates useful byproducts, which supports a circular and sustainable economy. And finally, it's cost effective. Because it skips complex pretreatment steps and uses cheap, abundant materials, HCl lowers the price of making biofuels. In short, HCl is a game changer. It turns biomass into energy efficiently, affordably, and sustainably. With technologies like HTL, biofuels could finally scale to meet our energy needs without sacrificing our environment. The future of fuel might not be underground. It might be growing in our fields and sitting in our compost bins. Thank you so much for your time.